everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we talk about hair with Bondi Boost. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming fashion and beauty unboxings. Today we unbox the limited edition Bondi Favs Lux set, which actually has 12 hair products inside. Now this is valued at over 200 Australian dollars and is retailing for 99 Australian dollars. This is very specific for hair care lovers. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. If you haven't heard of Bondi Boost before, they are an Australian brand that specialize in hair care products and hair tools. Now they are Australian made and sulfate, paraben and cruelty free. I actually have a lot of their hair tool products. I have the blowout brush, I also have the wave wand, the clever curler, and most recently their airburst styler. Now I actually really love their tools. It's super affordable and very easy to use on my hair. Now I haven't actually tried their hair care products, but I am pretty keen to check it out. So let's check out the box. Inside we have 12 beautiful products and it looks like a mix of masks, sprays, oils, and hair accessories. Let's start from the top here. Our first product is the mini pink salt scalp scrub. This is 50 mils and this scrub is meant to be used before shampoo and conditioner to really work with the roots. I haven't really used a scalp scrub before, but I am really keen to try this one. Now this is used once a week. Next up we have the mini miracle hair mask. This is also 50 mils and this is the salon level deep conditioning mask. So my hair is always so dry, so I tend to love really conditioning hair masks. This one is packed with argan, macadamia and jojoba oil. It also smells super incredible. So next up we have the mini rapid repair hair mask. Also 50 mils and this is their all-in-one deep conditioning and strand strengthening mask. So this one is meant to be used weekly and really level up your hair game in only 10 minutes. I am super excited about this one because my hair is really dry and brittle from all the years of coloring, and this is supposed to treat that damaged hair. Next we have the mini anti-frizz hair mask. This is 50 mils and is infused with 7 oils, ceramides, antioxidants, and vitamins to fight frizz. So I don't normally really get intense frizzing, but I am excited to see how much smoother my hair will look using this. This is also used weekly and it actually smells like a really yummy coconut. The last mask is the mini blonde baby purple mask. Also 50 mils and this is specifically for people with blonde hair. So this one tones and repairs your hair while eliminating brassiness. I obviously won't be using this one because I don't have blonde hair, but it does smell incredible. Let's move on to the right side here. Now we have the mini Elixir hair oil. This is 50 mils and is a pre-shampoo treatment and massaged in at the scalp. This one contains Jamaican black castor oil, which helps hydrate and smooth, leaving your hair looking and feeling much healthier. Next up we have the mini thickening therapy spray. Also 50 mils and this contains collagen and hyaluronic acid. So this is meant to lift, expand, and plump each strand of hair to increase volume. I actually have really thick hair, so I probably won't be needing this. Next, we have the Mini Super Shine and Strength Oil. This is 50 mils and is the miracle oil, which has a high percentage of argan oil. This one is rich in omegas, vitamin E, and jojoba oils, which helps replenish your hair lipids. It also smells incredible. Our last one from the spray and oil section is the mini sea salt texture spray. Also 50 mils, this is for that fresh off the beach look. This spray will give you that volume and that matte texture without it feeling sticky. Onto the hair accessories section, we have the mini hairbrush, the mini claw clip, and 5 black hairband. I think the mini brush and claw clip is really good for traveling with. I'm actually going on a mini road trip soon and I find it really hard to pack light for hair care. Now this is a great size for traveling or for putting in your handbag. The claw clip is so handy because you do need this to section off your hair while you're styling it. And I'm never gonna say no to black hair ties because of how often I lose these. So this is the limited edition Bondi Boost Bondi Favs Lux set. What do we think of this box? Let me know in the comments below. I personally really love the tools. I use them on the daily, especially the blowout brush. I cannot live without it. Now I haven't tried obviously the hair care range yet, but I am very keen to try it out given how much I love the tools already. Now, if you think this is the box for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. These are limited editions, so make sure you get your hands on them before they're gone. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!